went to the U.S. Virgin Islands and found natural eye drops.
Beautiful flower. But if I did this, tell me, what does this look like? Does this resemble anything? It might resemble maybe an eyedropper or something.
A pepper.
I see it.
Or eyedropper.
Oh.
You gotta be kidding me.
What? Let me get one. Let me
Go!
Wait, do that one more time.
Do that one more time. Let me record this.
African tulip cleanses your eyes, restores your vision. Do not let them fool you.
Give my mama a couple. Give my mama a couple drops.
Do not let them. It's in the herbs. The herbs are for the healing, guys. They don't want you to know.
Y'all listen,
and
y'all.
Most people don't know and they don't want to know. Seek and ye should find. Ask and it should be given. African tulip restores your eye vision and cleanses your eyes, and it's the best thing you can wash your eyes with. Okay? You know, it'd be crazy if I took it and I got
Can
it
you say
dry,
that
right?
again, Big Joe, please? I'm recording you.
I got big